Alright, this is the fortune teller project for Java. So at the very top I have an import for scanner, obviously, and then declaring scanner scan. Alright, so the program begins with outputting, like, enter an integer, and then it's gonna take an integer input in expression input. And then next it's gonna ask for a character, and then it's gonna scan the next as a string. And then enter another integer, and then it's gonna put it in here. And I also have this error message that I stored for later, and I just put in error so I didn't have to type this out every single time. Then I declared some variables: expression, object, and animal. All of them are null for now, and this is where I'm gonna put the expressions in the symbols. And this is the same thing but in word form. So instead of a picture of a bed, it would be the word of a bed. The word bed. Alright, that's what that is. And so this is like checking if they put valid inputs. And so this one is checking for the first integer, if it's valid, and if it's not, it's going to print out that error message I had earlier. And then this is for checking if the character input is just one. So it's just one character and it's not like a bunch of letters. And this is checking if that character is actually a letter and not a symbol or a number or something like that. And then this is checking the last integer input and checking if it's between 1 and 11. And if not, it's going to be an error. So if these are all false, meaning it's valid, it's going to go to the else statement here. And then it's going to start looking at the what they have inputted. So this is for the expression case. This is the first integer that they put in. If it's 1, it's going to be these, 2, and then all these down to 10. And then we have the expression as like the face, and then in words it's shy. So that's what each case is. And then the same thing for like the objects, which is their character input. And if it's A, it's going to be these things that happen, and then all the way to I. And then last, there's the animal cases. So again, it's their animal input, which is their second integer that they put in. So if it's 1, that, 2, that. So just a bunch of switch and case statements. And then at the very end, it's gonna print the IC, and then the expression, the object, and the animal. After that, it's gonna output that same message but in like word form so we can actually read it. So you are something while holding a something when a animal suddenly stole away. Oh no. And then at the end it says bye. And that's it. There's no loop or anything here. So now I'll do the demonstration in the terminal here. Okay, so down here I'll say like 5 and a character and then another number. It's gonna output like this: happy face, and then an airplane, and then a cat. So the sentence reads, "You are laughing out loud while holding an airplane when a cat suddenly stole it away. Oh no!" And then it says bye. So there's no loop, so I run it again. And let's do some error statements. So let's do like 999 for that. So that should blow up regardless of these next ones. Like that. And then it says invalid. Got your money back. Another one. Let's put 6. Oh. And then a character. If I do something like ampersand and then a number, that is also no bueno. So do it again. Down here, let's do 9, and then like too many letters, and then another number. That's also bad because it's not just one character, and it should be one character. Let's test the third statement, and then like huge number. Yeah, that doesn't work. I can do one more. Enter, let's say 3, and then C, and then like -5. That's not in the range, so that broke it. Let's do one valid one. So 8, and then D, and then 6. You are bored while holding a eye when a pig suddenly stole it away. Strange, but I guess that's your fortune. So that's it. Thanks.